Hello my friends, followers, listeners and dear traders, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today gonna show you the one more awesome trading strategy about Crush 1000 scalping and Boom 1000 scalping and Crush 500 and Boom 500 index. How we scalp that Crush buy and that Boom sell. So this is very awesome and very easy accurate trading strategy. Once you follow the all rule and instruction, you will really make more and awesome profit. Okay, many times, as I told you in group about spike catching strategy, many times we catch spike and successfully we make profit lot of, and sometimes cause of market, cause of the sellers and the buyer pressure, sometimes the spike comes very late. Cause of that reason I have established one more awesome strategy just for you. So it's time to set up the strategy. What is this and how we're going to use this? So first of all, we have to choose the awesome trading. Look here, first of all, choose that 13 period, a simple moving average here, no any shift. Okay, and they choose any color. Okay, I will like to set the golden color. Okay, and the second one choose the Bollinger Band. That BB is a short name BB. Bollinger Band apply to low. Remember that apply to low and the 4 pixel or 3 pixel as you like. Color choose any you like. There is no any recommendation. The period will be 20. Okay, and the deviation setting will be same, and just simply click on done and look here that Bollinger Band on your main chart. And the second thing, we have to set up MACD. That MACD fast EMA set at 7. Okay, and that slow EMA 9. That MACD SMA at 7. Apply to low. Remember that apply to low. That mainly 2 pixel and that color will be any color you choose, no problem. Okay, that the signal as the line is red and there is no need of labels. So simply click on done. Okay, and that RSI strategy, as you all guys know before this, how we set up and how we using this strategy for catching spikes in boom and crush trading index. So now that moving average, second and the last thing of a moving average on your main chart, a 44-48 period. Okay, shift to zero method, simple apply to close and choose the color is my recommendation below. Sorry, yellow color, choose in 4 pixels, it will be visible on your chart. If you using a dark theme or a white background chart, no problem, use this. Okay, simply done. Okay, once done, now it's time to how we use this strategy for trading. Very accurate and also tested and awesome strategy. First of all, I want to tell you about about crush buy. How we buy using this strategy. And look here, let me highlight this arrow a little bit. And look here, the buy signal established from this point. You have to look this one, that middle Bollinger Band. Look here, this one is a middle Bollinger Band. Okay, and the second thing is your yellow color moving average of 48 period. Once all cross from downside of candles, look here, that candles going upward and that middle Bollinger Band is at downward of candles. Okay, and downside moving average, yellow moving average crossing the candles and that middle crossing, and you seen is going upward. Look here, is going upward and just stay here. And how we confirm this is accurate entry. So simply once you see that MACD thick, someone asked me about thick, what is thick? So this is the thick, this is the volume candle as you're looking in a MACD indicator window. Look here, the candles of volume of MACD is showing you that is thick. Okay, once you seen that MACD is showing that upward candles, uptrend, and that middle Bollinger Band and the moving average yellow showing you the uptrend and crossing from downside of the candle, so it's time to buy. And someone asked me how we sure that now it's time to exit. So simply, as we set up already one awesome trading strategy for catching spikes in boom and crash. Okay, you enter this trade and look here, you enter this trade from this point. Look here at the moving average, sorry, the RSI. Look here at this point of RSI, and also as we set up the moving average in RSI, you seen that MACD give you the confirmation, RSI give you the confirmation is going to go up. And look here on main chart, middle Bollinger Band crossing, and that candles and that moving average, the yellow line is going to confirm this uptrend. And look this confirmation 1, 2 and 3. With strong confirmation we enter for a buy trade on M5. Always use on M5, M15, no problem, okay? And if you want to go on higher time frame for confirmation, there is no any issue, but stay on M5 cause that crush 500 and boom 500 1000 always give you now that spikes and big spikes. Sometimes the extra large and the big length spike appear on boom and crash. So maybe you trade reverse in loss, but there is no any chance of losses once the 1 and 2 spikes come and you are in accurate trade. Okay, I hope you all guys understand. And when to exit, look here that our bout level of RSI you trade, and that your exit point is that our sold of RSI. Simply if you don't understand that our sold and our bout level, simply watch this area, that 14 period RSI, watch this area. When you enter below that 2310 period, wait till that market touch 70, 80 or 90 here. Once you see that 70 digit, 80 digit, 90 digit, simply close and exit from your trade. If it still is going upward, no problem, you just close your trade and take your profit and out. And how we say, look here, that the boom 1000, let me explain you. Look here, that moving average crossing from upward. Look here, that moving average of yellow is going from upward, and that middle Bollinger Band and market is going to in the sell direction is downtrend. And look here, from this point, look here, from this point how much pips, and look here also that RSI. Look here, once you enter, let me select the cross here, once you enter that market was at 80.58. look here, 80.58 level, so your exit point will be 2310 RSI. Okay, if you don't understand our sold and our bought level, no problem, simply use the 70, 80, 90, 10, 20 and 23 for entry and exit. And look here, after the confirmation that MACD also told you that market is going to sell, and look here, that first confirmation of crossing moving average, middle Bollinger Band and the sell. And look here, at this point, look here, at this point RSI told you that market is at where? Market is at this point. Look here, I think market is on 80.58. And look here, that MACD told you that market is going to sell, and look how much pips. So this is very simple and accurate strategy. Accurate. Why I call many times accurate? Because I tested this strategy. Okay, you wanna buy, you wanna sell, no problem, use this strategy and trade in trend. You will be at the safe side. I hope you all guys understand. If you still have any question, feel free to send me email, my WhatsApp and my Telegram group open for your questions. I am here to help you. I hope you all guys understood. Thanks for watching and try to understand. First of all, use one demo. Once you sure you are able to catch that market trend and that swing trading, feel free switch to real account and make more profit. Have a good day.